we have with us si Miss Patricia Katindig. Siya po yung isa sa mga program heads ng UP Diliman Escolaro. At kahit umuulan, ay ongoing pa rin po yung Ultimate Frisbee event. One of the last events nitong Escolaro. And of course sa kabila, mayroong basketball 3-on-3. So papalawalag natin sa atin kay Miss Patricia kung ano pa itong Escolaro para ito sa mga estudyante ng UP Diliman. So Patricia, buwati ka sa mga taga-Sports Corner PH and followers natin.
Hello po, I'm Patricia Katindig, one of the project heads po or project organizer for Escolaro Frisbee. Our event is called Escolaro 2024.
Okay, Escolaro 2024 is actually a parang sports event ito na of course, pinapakilala natin ang iba't ibang mga sports with regards na merong frisbee, may basketball, merong meron pa disc golf, isa sa mga sports na yon.
Yung disc golf po, in-include po namin siya sa event namin pero as a mini game portion lang po.
Okay. Pero bukod pa sa mga nabanggit ko mga sports, ano yung mga iba pa mga sports na kabilang dito?
For this semester po, we had parang fun run po, which is the lakbo. We also had football, happened last Monday, and then we also had Philippine Games as well.
So ito yung last day na yon ng competition.
Yes po. Iba-iba po kasi siya, iba-iba po yung nag-handle per class. So for class po namin under Sir Edwin Barber, we have Escolaro po and 3x3. So for Escolaro and 3x3 po, we had 2 days. So day 1 happened last week and then this is day 2. So,
okay. Ilang mga teams ang kalaok dito sa nasabing sport, which is basically comprised of the students from Human Kinetics and even other colleges na nasa loob ng UP Diliman?
Actually, Escolaro po is for those enlisted in the PE service classes ng Ultimate Frisbee. So, ang total classes po kasi is 5 classes. So, we just decided to group them according to their class since sila din po yung madalas mag-training together, magsama-sama together para mas maganda po yung chemistry nila.
And of course, this competition aims to promote Ultimate Frisbee at the university level. Kasi nakikita natin, isa yan sa mga fast rising sports itong Ultimate, lalo na yung ating mga Philippine teams natin, especially the women's side, yung Binibinis, eh nagko-compete na doon. And one of the instructors, as I said, nabagit mo kanina, si Miss Aya Santos, who is part also of the Binibinis, ma'am.
Yes po. Coach Aya is actually one of the instructors of the PE2 Ultimate Frisbee classes. So she handles 3 classes and she's actually here with us today before she leaves for Boracay for another competition, training camp. And then, so basically ang aim lang naman namin dito sa Escolaro is for the students to be able to showcase their talents. Syempre, inaral po nila yan buong semester. It is their culminating event, bale po. So, it's for them to compete with one another, get a feel of how an Ultimate Frisbee game works, even though it's very modified since syempre beginner level, we have to modify everything.
So ito malaking maitutulong itong pag-aral, pagtuto ng sport nito and eventually paglalaro nito sa mismong competition para at least mabigyan sense and awareness itong sport na ito lalo na sa grassroots level and even sa university level dahil pinopromote itong sport na ito towards the university level, ma'am.
Yes po. Actually, Ultimate Frisbee, even though medyo mas nagiging known na siya now, it's not as widely known compared to, let's say, football, basketball. And I think yun yung kulang sa Ultimate na kulang pa siya ng exposure bale. And then, ito, Escolaro, this is what we aim to do na parang okay naman din sa Ultimate Frisbee. Maganda rin naman yung mga competitions that we have in the Philippines. So, we encourage the students, sana na-enjoy nila yung Escolaro event for them to be able to play in real competitions.
Okay, so afterwards, meron ba kayong mga susunod na plano with regards sa Ultimate Frisbee around UP Diliman and of course the other projects as well na ipopobot mo?
For us po kasi, since this is just like a semestral thing, So it's part of our class, or one of the requirements of our class. So of course for us, it's after this, tapos na po kami. Pero it depends on the instructors if they want to continue Ultimate Frisbee in the following semesters. But again, we have the organizations like the UP Diliman Ultimate Organization. So they have events po that allows for collegiate tournament. So ang upcoming event po nila is NUCC. So common po siya to high school teams as well as collegiate teams, and then naglalaban-laban.
And of course, baka pwede ma-elevate pa yan doon sa Sunken Pleasure team natin eh. And other teams as well pagdating sa Ultimate Frisbee. Baka may makita natin potential na maglaro nga sa iba't ibang mga competition as well, ma'am. Pero sa ngayon po, although ongoing pa ang competition, hanggang 7 PM pa mismo nilalo, baka may gusto kayong pasalamatan, and of course yung mga sponsors nyo po, and all those who have joined itong competition na ito, Ma'am Patricia.
Of course, we would like to thank our instructors and Sir Barber for helping us organize this event, and as well as the PE2 instructors, Coach Kenneth Landicho and Coach Ea Santos. And this event, nandito po sila, Coach Ea.
Ayan, si Coach Ea. Shoutout! Mag-shoutout ka muna. The Sports Corner PH po!
No, the Sports Corner.
And of course, si Sir Kenneth.
Si Sir Kenneth.
At si Sir Kenneth pala.
Hello po, hello.
Sports Corner. Si Sports Corner.
Hello.
Okay, si Aaron.
Aaron Angulo.
Sa Sports Corner po.
Sports Corner.
Okay, you may continue po yung pasasalamat.
So of course, this event is in partnership with Milo Philippines, Decathlon Masinag, and UP Duo, in cooperation with Vitargo Philippines and Enerbon, and it is also brought to you by Corbridge and the University Hotel. So we would also give our special thanks to Kreml S, Great Taste Coffee, Blue Philippines, Refresh Mineral Water, Hotel Marciano, and Auditronics. So we wouldn't be able to have this wide event without our sponsors. So we're very
And of course, to us din.
yes,
like,
po, Sports Corner. Thank you so much for featuring us po.
Alright, thank you so much, Ma'am Patricia. We look forward for more events like this and to strengthen yung presence ng Ultimate Frisbee. Hindi lang sa UP Diliman, hindi lang sa Quezon City, kundi sa buong Pilipinas na rin. Dahil alam natin, unti-unti nang sumisikat ito Bilibinis and of course the Philippine teams with regards sa Ultimate. Thank you so much po and have a great day.
Thank you.